pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic to which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for the Silas Mahone Pledge. Silas Mahone, my honor and serve, my very best it does reserve. I'll be kind, share with others, for while at school we're sisters and brothers. I'm responsible for doing safe and learn. Have a good day.
Oh, I never heard that. That's good. Daisy, you want to sing? And do ABC?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Whoa.